just like in the previous one, is I like to make the new ordered pairs. I actually think it's easier to do that first. So this notation means you're going to subtract 7. So it ends up being left 7. And then this notation over here also means to subtract 6, which means you're going down 6. Could you give me the new ordered pairs, please, whenever you have them?
Sure. -2, -8, and -9, -9.
Double check B, because B is, if these were both negative, that would have been the right answer.
All right. -5, -9.
Yeah, yes, -5 and then minus,
9.
nope. So
Wait.
it's 2 minus 7, comma, 3 minus 6. Like you literally take the X value and put it in, you take the Y value
Oh.
and plug it in. Yeah. Which is why I was like, oh, she got the first two right. Like she probably got this. Like this will be, and it does help to write them out if you need to.
-3.
Very good. Okay. And these are the ticks, the primes. So we got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, -2. There's A. 2, 3 is B. And then the primes. So graphically, you could do the same thing. You just have to know which way to go. You can know, okay, I'm gonna go left 7 and then down 6. All right. I think it's easier to just graph the new ordered pairs, but that's if you're more of a visual person, you can do either. Like that, that's A prime. B prime is left 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that does work there. Number 7 is different notation, but it's the exact same problem. So this 3 means +3. The 0 means +0. So could you come up with the new ordered pairs?
Uh, 4 -1 and 7 -5.
So these are just moved directly to the right. Could you try graphing them on your paper first, and then I will graph them to follow?
Sure. Got it.
So 1, -1. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we got L and M. M prime is, or L prime is there, and M prime is there. Any questions, thoughts on that?
No, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, really is. Like usually these are taught first before reflections, at least in my world. But all right, number 8. Number eight. So it's kind of your choice here. Like you can either make a table of the new points or you can do it graphically. There's not a right or a wrong. It's just whatever works for you. Um, you're taking those X and Y values and putting them in here. This is in words, it's right two, and then it's down four. But I'll leave it up to you how you want to proceed. So why don't you find the new ordered pairs? One thing I'll recommend is like if you do want to add them, like do all the X's. So do for A, 3 + 2, then do for B -2 + 2, and then for C -5 + 2. Like do all of them in sequence, and then do all of the -4s in sequence. I think it's much harder to go back and forth, but I'll leave that at your discretion.
All right.
Make sure you label the tick marks. They're particular on how you label things.
Got it.
So 3, 5 is up here. The other thing is make sure you label these appropriately, whether it's A or A prime. Any questions on any of this, how to do it?
No.
Okay. Does it seem, and I hate using this word, but does it seem easy?
Yeah.
It is not the most difficult thing you'll see in this course, that's for sure.
I imagine the most difficult thing is rotation.
It absolutely is, yeah. Any chance you have that assignment today?
I do not.
Okay. All right, well, let's continue working through this. We'll do them, take our time here. For 9, I'll go ahead and work through that. I can check it if needed. I'll also graph it here in a moment once you've got a chance to work through it.
Okay, so L prime is 1 -2, M is -4, -7, and
You
N
said,
is,
hang on, here's what you
oh,
said. Did you mean -7?
oh yeah, -7.
But you're adding to 5 + 2, +7.
Oh, um, and then 6, uh, 2.
Good. Okay. Go ahead and graph those.
All right. Got it.
So the main thing here is everything it moves to the, or moves, I'm sorry, moves up to. So yeah, L prime, and then minus 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, and that goes M prime, and then N, 6, 0, 6, 2, N prime. If you have a, uh, any thoughts on that, concerns?
Uh, no.
Okay. Well, we'll just keep moving here, slow and steady. Number 10, this one's got a transformation in both directions. Um, it seems like you like doing the table, kind of mapping out the points first. You're welcome to graph them with the, you're going, this one you're going left 5, you're going down 1. But I'll leave that for you to decide what you want to do.
All right. I got for R prime is 1 minus 3. S is uh -6, 3. And T is -3, -5.
Right. So I didn't hear a R, but it's a 1, -3. I think you said that though.
Yeah.
All right, great.
Got it.
This 11, I mean, they're just using different notation. This just means that XY is going to X minus 2 comma Y plus 3.
Okay. Okay, I have 0, 7, -4, 4, -6, 1, and -2, 0.
Check that last one. You got a small mistake on that last one. I heard -2.
Oh, 2, right.
Yeah, yeah, +2. Okay, good. Again, I do think it's better to do them all at once. I'm not sure if you're doing that, subtract, 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 rather than going back and forth.
I got the graph.
Sorry, you're good on that?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know that I need to graph them. So that's assume you've got that down here. Um, Same thing with this one. XY becomes X plus 1, Y -3. Hopefully that's clear from this notation here. Go ahead and figure out your new ordered pairs, please.
Okay, I got 7 -4, 0 -1, -2, -3, and 6, -7.
All right, good job.
Got it.
All right, good job. So I think it'd be good for us to go back and look a little bit more at reflections. But you are the customers, or anything else you would like us to work on today?
Uh, Honestly, I want to go back to reflections.
You do or do not?
I do.
Okay, it's a wise decision. All right, so let's do some basic ones first, and then we'll move into the harder ones. So let's say I give you the ordered pair -2, comma 3, and I want you to do an x-axis reflection. Okay. Now, what I would do if I were a student is I would make a quick sketch like that, label the point and draw the new point just to make sure that I knew where where it should go, and make sure you give me the new ordered pair.
Okay. -2, -3.
That's what I meant. Like, you put the point there, you're like, all right, that's the X, goes down there. Yeah, make sure your new point actually works. All right, any questions on that?
No.
Okay. So I think then the next type of problems you're looking at is 4, -7, and then we'll go over the line x equals -2. So again, what I would do is I would make a quick sketch. I'd say, all right, 4, -7 is there if, roughly. Okay. Where is -2? It's there. You have to find the distance to that line. What is the distance to that line?
6
Six.
units.
6 units. So that means you need to go 6 units left. Now in time, you'll be able to just do that without drawing it, but you're going 6 units left of this. So how far, what's the new X value? Because you're going,
-8.
yeah, so this goes to -8, comma -7. Is that okay
Yeah.
so far? All right. So that's my recommendation. So basically, I want to give you some problems here where I just make these up. I'm gonna see if I can get this. Why is it? Oh, maybe I gotta put an index in here. 10. All right. So there's that. X equals Y equals. Okay. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do here is come up with some ordered pairs and ask you to reflect them. So let's go -8, comma 2 over the line Y equals -1.
Okay. -8, -4.
Okay, so how did you come up with that?
I did a little sort of graph thing. Um,
You-
Placed the minus y or y equals -1 thing.
Okay, you said
Then
three
I
away, so it's three away.
calculated the space is 3 units. And then use that space from the y line. Yeah.
Great. Now, one thing you should think about here is this is a horizontal line. So which coordinate changed, the X or the Y?
The y.
Yes. So that's something to think about. All right, let's do another couple here. All right, let's go the ordered pair is, and I'm just making these up randomly. We're gonna go X equals 9 on this one. X equals 9.
Alrighty. I have -623.
So like this.
Yeah.
So X equals 9 is a vertical line. So the Y only the so this is a vertical line, and then a vertical line, it's the X value that changes. So try that one more time.
Oh wait.
See, it's going over here to the right, and then it's going to go more to the right. So you got to figure out how far away it is.
Okay, so 24 -5.
How did you come up with 24?
I counted the distance between the dot and the X line, and then added onto the X line with that number.
Right. So yeah, 6 plus 9 like that. Very good. All right. So here is another one for you to do.
It just stays.
Why is that?
because the point is it crossed through.
Yes. Excellent. Yeah. All right. Good job on that. And that doesn't matter whether it's horizontal or vertical. If it goes through, it goes through. All right, let's do another one here. Let's go ordered pair 1, comma, -3, and x equals 6.
Uh, 11 minus 3.
You're good. So again, those vertical ones only affect the x. All right, let's do another one here.
I have 23 minus 9.
Very good. All right. So now I could ask you to do two transformations. So I could give you an ordered pair like -4, comma, -8, and say x equals 9, and then y equals 6.
Okay.
So just do one, do the first one, and then do the second one. You'll notice that only one affects one value and only one, the other affects the other value.
I have 22, 6.
Uh, so close. The first one. So like, did you graph the point? I guess we should start with that. Did you graph the point?
Yeah,
All right. And then x equals 9 is over here somewhere. So you're going over here. So this is 13 away from 9. And so 13 more from 9 is 22. I think you said that.
yeah.
Now the 6, we'll do it in a different color here. There's 6, so you're up here somewhere. So how far away is this point from that? Well, it's 6 or 8 plus the 6, so that's 14. Oh, you said 20, didn't you?
I said I said 6.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. So you've got to go up 20 from this one. I'm sorry, 14 up from this one to get to 20.
Uh, oh, I see.
It's basically just me giving you two problems in one. All right, let's see if we can do one more. We got the time here. All right, so let's go -4 comma -10 over x equals 1 and y equals 3. So give that a try, please.
All right. I have 16.
Yes, perfect. Very good. All right, well, so hopefully that helped. Drawing the picture especially. Now, I think one of the things that probably happened the other day is that like some of the points you were going like they were on this one side line and then you get a problem where they're going back and forth, and that's a little bit harder to do. Um, but this making a quick sketch should really help you out there. So, all right, we're going to stop there for today.